Hi guys, it's me Rose here again at Shoes of Hollywood. I am doing another shoe review for you guys today. A little bit different from what I'm used to, a bit more glam. So these ones are called the RADIANT-708s and they are a purple hologram kind of look. We do have some more in other colours, but I'll show you shortly. So as always, they come in your really cool travel box. Again, your travel bag, which I use to hang my shoes up on a coat hanger in the closet. So, or you can travel when you go to your girlfriend's house or anywhere. Perfect. Alright, so these ones are absolutely gorgeous. They're a bit glam. They're not black like I'm used to. So there we go. They are a 7-inch heel. As you see, they've got the clear upper with the upper strap as well, the ankle strap. And then down here, we've got the 7-inch heel. And they're purple holographic, but they remind me of like bubbles, like they're kind of a bubble kind of design. And on the bottom, you've got the really grippy sole there. Oh, my lash. And they've also got the really soft purple inner sole, which is really cool. So we'll show them a little bit more. And I'll just show you quickly because we do have these in more colours. We've also got these in the goldy rose gold colour and the gorgeous pink. And as you can see, they've got the bubble and everything design as well. It reminds me of just like, you know, going into a spa bath and the bubbles. But so they're very gorgeous. So I'll undo all these. Ready? So these are 7-inch heel, as I said, clear upper. I really should have undone these prior. I'm sorry, just bear with me. And then with that gorgeous purple inner sole finish. So you're probably used to seeing me in a lot of darker kind of shoes. So these are a lot more glam for Rose, but I fit anything, so it's good. Alright, so usually a bit tricky the first time ever wearing new clear uppers. Oh, sorry. So I might just squeeze my little foot in there for a sec. But we should be good because they do stretch out quite a bit and they mold to your foot. There we go. Perfect. So as always, yes, 7-inch heels on my heel. And I'm so excited to show you these out in the sun because they do have that holographic finish. So they're going to be gorgeous. So bear with me because they're a bit of a struggle to put on. As clear uppers always are. But it's good because they mold to each foot individually, which is really good. Let's pop your little toes out there. My hair's getting longer, so it's getting in my way. So yes, if you're not really a purple person, there is 2 other colours for you to choose from if you do like this design. Right. There we go. If I were to choose these, I would probably go for the purple or the rose gold ones, but I've also got a pink selection as well. Alright. There we go. Very purple. Alright, I'll show you a bit of a side view. These ones. Little ball bubbles. In the heel as well. Gorgeous. Alright. Pretty. Alright, don't forget to like and subscribe. Make sure you tick the little bell on the left hand side. Keeps you notified with everything going on because you don't want to miss anything. Support us, we'll support you. Alright, and we're going to take these outside in the sun. I'll show you how beautiful and glamorous they are because these ones will reflect a lot. So here we go. Don't mind the little bit of audience we got here today. I'm going to have to start setting up a few little seats because we get that many a day. But as I said, don't mind the sun in my eyes, it's a bit bright today. But it's a good thing because then you get to see them shine and bounce off this holographic kind of purple finish. I'll try not to get hit by a car, but there in the sun, oh wow, you can definitely see those bubbles reflecting. They're gorgeous. Just wait a second, we've got a few people leaving. Maybe more of a close up. Alright, we're good to go. I'm happy I got to do some glam shoes. These would be perfect for you dancing ladies. I want to make a stand out. Shoes definitely leave a bit of a statement, don't they? Yeah. Alright. Okay. Don't forget to comment below, let me know what you think, if you want to see me more in these kind of glam shoes or the other shoes, whichever. But I do like a little bit of the glitter and glam sometimes. So, oh, alright. Take these ones off. They kind of match my nails, I've got a bit of a glitter glam going on there. And there we have it. Show you one more time. They all match with those ones. Alright. Thank you all again. I'll see you all next time. See you later. Bye.